everyone, my name is Padwa Shital. Today we are discuss about the modifiers in Java. Firstly, we can discuss about the what is an modifiers. Modifiers is a control the access of the mechanism. They are used to the control the access mechanism that can be restrict the use of the class, constructors, methods, and the data members. Next one is there are four types of access modifiers. First one is a default, second one is private, third one is a protected and public. Firstly, we can discuss about one by one. First is a default. When no access modifier is specified by the class data members and the constructor, it is used to the default access specifier by default. The data members and the data methods, that is default access modifier, are accessible within the same package. We can control the data members or the class from the access from the same package to the another package. Next access specifier is a private. The private keyword is used to the specify the private access modifier. This modifier, the methods class and the constructors are declared as a private, are accessible within the class each in which that can be declared. Any other class of same package that cannot be accessed by that members. The top level interface and the classes cannot be declared as a private. Next modifier is a protected. In that, protected keyword used to the specify the protected class modifier. The methods or the data members declared in the protected are accessible within the same package, that is also known as the protected data members and the methods. This protected access specifier apply only when the subclass is inherited by the superclass. It protected keywords is used in the inheritance. And then last access specifier is a public. Public keyword is used to the specify the public access modifier. The class methods, then data members and the constructor which are accessible, which are provide the accessible to anywhere, that is no restrict for the access. It is also known as a public access specifier. There is no restriction for the any other scope of the public data members. It has no restriction for the use of the specifier. Thank you guys.